Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace trunk lift or trunk support struts. You know, those gas springs that help keep your trunk in place when you lift it and not fall on your head. So before we begin, I absolutely need to tell you that this is the easiest job that you can do on your car by yourself. Okay, let's start with a broomstick and two screwdrivers. I have a smaller and a larger screwdriver and broomstick, while in my case I use a hammer to keep the trunk up. So there are these two metal clips that hold the struts onto these ball joints, and you need to pop off the clips and then you can remove the struts with your hand. It can take a bit of time to remove the clips because they have a tendency to go back in place. So here you can see that I'm using a screwdriver to pry the strut off from its ball joint. You can do this or you can pull it off by hand, it's your choice. And there you can see the hammer that I used to keep the trunk up in place. You need to do the exact same thing on the other side of the strut. You need to pry the C-clip or clip or whatever off with a screwdriver, and after that you can remove the whole strut. Now, before replacing with new ones, there are a few things that you need to know, like let's say you replace them in pairs, it's going to say on the box, or you do not try to squeeze it closed by hand. I mean, you can destroy the old one, I don't care, but you don't try to squeeze the new one because you might destroy it. As you can see here, it says on the box multiple things and how you should mount it and how you should replace them in pairs, just as I said. Also, you can see there how to remove the clip on the new ones because they use the exact same system. And a warning, do not hit or try to break the struts because they are filled with gas under very high pressure. If I'm not mistaken, they are 450 Newton meter struts. Their length is 477 millimeters, if I'm not mistaken, and if the eBay seller was correct. And let me tell you the part number for these things, you know, in case you want to buy a pair of spare struts. So the code is 406A10. If you Google it, it's going to give every information you need. So this is pretty much everything you need to know about replacing the struts. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and see you in the next video. And for free out.